صاحبكنا تليها سكتر 1 أما قيبت كواد أو معه مقدشي شبل دوسة أنا تليها عيدا كيوغندا جنرال بريغيدير ديك هانشاب ويلكم.
السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. براوي هوي. براوي هوي. Somali هوي. AMISOM هوي. The first thing I want to do to tell the governor what he promised me.
waxaan rabaa baraawayda salaame kadib gobortooraha waxaan ka ballan qaaday yiri ballantiisa idin sheega.
He told me that if I take Barawe, he will shave his hair.
wuxuu yiri baraawa hadaad qabatid hadaan qabto madaxaad iska madax iga xiiro yiri hadda maanta madax hortiina ugu xiira timaha weyn Hanshab.
Now because I'm a soldier, governor, sit down and I shave your hair.
sit taale fariiso timaha ka xiira liir geeka dhalade Hanshab Hanshab.
Now I'm shaving his hair to show him that I've taken Barawe. Come and catch for me. He thought I was joking. Now I'm doing it.
Yeah, I come today because General League liberated me today. That is this great day. 7 years I didn't
people laughing and looking weird.
I didn't cut my hair. It's my great day today. Yeah. Ha. This is a great party. Really. Because General League promised when, I said, you can shave my hair and brow when you liberate. Today is, our promise. The will, this is the ceremony for the cutting the hair. There's a lot of people look like me. They didn't cut their hair. They will cut today.
People looking like they're really
Yeah.
what the fuck.
Anjab.
Assalamu alaikum. I want to thank everybody of Barawe.
waxaan rabaa inaan u mahadceliyo qof walba oo baraaw degan.
I want to tell you, the people of Barawe, you should not fear anybody.
qof walba reer baraawe qof aad ku baqi kartaa malaha maanta wixii ka dambeeya nabad ku noolaada Hanshab.
AMISOM has come to give you peace. AMISOM with SNA, they have come to give you peace.
AMISOM